Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic how to make gametes in genetics. So we have discussed the so many topics of genetics like the incomplete dominance, dihybrid cross, monohybrid cross, codominance. So in all these topics we have to make the gametes. So how to make the gametes in case of genetics, today we will going to discuss. And to understand this topic there should be the clear idea of in your mind, that is what is homozygote and what is heterozygote. So homo means same and zygote means if the zygote having the same types of chromosomes, or if the chromosome having the same types of genes, then we can say it is known as homozygote. Suppose in case of female the XX zygote is there, so both the chromosomes are same, so we can say it is homozygote. And heterozygote means if the chromosomes or the genes are different, like in case of male XY, so it is heterozygote. Or this type of organisms are known as the heterozygote, and this condition is heterozygous condition. We have studied the monohybrid cross. One character we have taken, that is the plant height. So in plant height, if I am writing capital T, so it is homozygote. And if I am writing capital T small t, so it is heterozygote. So the basic principle behind this topic, how to make gametes, that is we have to count the number of heterozygote. If we can count the number of the heterozygote, then we can find out that how many gametes will be formed in any type of cross. So let's take the example. We can take the example of 2 character also or 3 character also, because in this chapter we are solving the problems taking 2 character, but today we will take the 3 characters also, so that there will be no confusion. Suppose one capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So now we have to count the number of heterozygote. So because capital R, small r, both are the different allele, so we can say it is the one heterozygote. And capital Y, small y, it is also the heterozygote, so I am writing 1 also. So total how many heterozygote in this? 2. And what we have to do means how many gametes will formed from here, that is the 2 raised to power n, means the number of heterozygote कैसे निकालेंगे हम उसको 2 raised to the power n करेंगे. So यहाँ पे कितने heterozygote हैं? 2, तो हम कर देंगे 2 raised to power 2. So what will be the 2 raised to power 2? That is the 4. So how many gametes are formed here? 4. Now how we can write or how we can make the gametes? Firstly we have to write the one character, like the round and the wrinkled. So here I am writing round, here I am writing wrinkled. Then what you have to do? Then again you have to write along with both the character, capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. Now you can make the gamete, capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, capital small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. So that is the easiest way to make the gametes. So by this method you can make the gametes. So how many gametes are formed? 4. And I told you that by counting the number of the heterozygotes you can make the gametes. So here 2 raised to power 2, so 4 gametes are there, and by this method you can make the gametes. I think you understood. So by this method you can solve the problems. In some question it is given that the number of heterozygotes are means 4, 5. So how many gametes are formed? So by this formula you can solve this problem. Means that is the how you can make by 2 raised to power the number of heterozygote. So the number of heterozygote काउंट करना है आपको, और उसकी पावर आप n करोगे, जितने नंबर ऑफ हेटेरोजाइगोट्स होंगे उससे आप क्या निकाल सकते हो, हाउ मैनी गैमीट्स आर फॉर्म्ड. नाउ वी कैन टेक द अदर एग्जाम्पल. हेयर वी आर टेकिंग द 3 कैरेक्टर्स like capital R, small r, then capital Y, small y, or I am taking the violet color. So capital W, capital W. So how many gametes are formed? So if you are just finding these are the heterozygote, these are the heterozygote, but these are not the heterozygote. So these are the homozygote. So here also the number of gametes that will be 4, but here the characters are written 3. So how we can solve it? So the number of heterozygote that are 2. So 2 raised to power 2 means 4 gametes are formed here. And how these gametes? Firstly we have to write character capital R, small r, then we will write capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y, because both are the same. So we are writing with this W, W, capital W, capital W. Now what are the gametes? Capital R, capital Y, capital W, capital R, capital Y, capital W, capital R, small y, capital W, small r, capital Y, capital W. I think you are understanding. So now small r, small y, capital W. So how many gametes are formed? Here the 4 gametes. So with this formula, if you know the number of the heterozygote, then you can make the gametes very easily. Now we are taking the other example. If I am taking here the heterozygote, so now how many heterozygotes are here? There are the, you can say the 3 heterozygote. So if 3 heterozygotes are there, so the 2 raised to power 3 means how many gametes are formed? 8 gametes. Now let's solve how 8 gametes are formed. Capital R, small r, then you can write capital Y, then small y, capital Y, small y, then along with capital W, small w, then capital W and the small w. So these are the different, you can say the, like this you can write, because here the 3rd heterozygote are also there, and if the heterozygotes are given, then we have to use the 2 arrow for that. So here also we will write, because the 3rd character also there, capital W, small w, then capital W, small w, then again capital W, small w, and capital W, and the small w. So what we have to do now? So what is the first gamete? That is the capital R, capital Y, capital W. That is the first. Then capital R, capital Y, small w. Capital R, capital Y, small w. What we have to take? We have to combine like this: first, 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 then second. So like this we have to write. So now capital R, small y, capital W, and the next is capital R, small y, then small w. Second gamete, third gamete, fourth gamete. So 4 from this and 4 from this. So how many total gametes are formed? 8 gametes will be formed. The what is the left you can solve by yourself. So how many gametes will be formed in this? Because there are the 3 heterozygote, so the number of the heterozygote 2 raised to the power n. So number of heterozygote, that is the 3. So by means you can say multiplying it, 2 raised to the power 3, so 8 gametes. And how you can solve this problem? I think now there is no problem to solve the gamete formation. So by these methods you can make the gametes also. If this question come, make the gamete, then also you can make the gametes. Or if you have to make the gametes for any type of cross, then also very easily you can make the gametes, and there will be the no confusion. If some students are confusing by simply making the gametes, then they can use this method, and by this method you can make the gametes very easily. So thank you.